Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate the steamed bean curd wrap.
Ingredients are 1 piece large bean curd sheet, 10 pieces oyster mushroom, 30 grams winter mushroom, 6 pieces baby corn, a quarter piece carrot, approximately 100 grams, half tablespoon garlic finely chopped, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, half tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 80 milliliters hot water, 3 tablespoons cornstarch mixture. That is 2 teaspoons of cornstarch plus 3 tablespoons of cold water. Seasonings: 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon light brown sugar, half teaspoon salt. Lay the bean curd sheet open and cut out circles of 10 to 12 centimeters in diameter, may cut along the brim of a large bowl. Soak the oyster mushrooms and baby corns in cold water for 10 minutes. Drain and cut into thin strips and set aside. Remove the root of the winter mushrooms, soak in cold water for 10 minutes. Tear into small bunches and set aside. Peel and julienne the carrot and set aside. To prepare the stuffing, heat up 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a wok on high heat. Add garlic, carrot, baby corns, oyster mushrooms and winter mushrooms. Pour Shaoxing wine, saute for 1 minute and set aside. Add the seasonings and saute for 1 minute, then add 80 milliliters of hot water. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens up. Turn off the heat and separate the ingredients from sauce. Put in 1 tablespoon of the stuffing and roll into a cylinder. Put the rolls on the plate and cover with a heat-resistant cling wrap. Steam for 5 to 6 minutes. When done, take out and drain the accumulated liquid. Reheat the sauce on high heat. Add cornstarch mixture and stir well. Then pour onto the bean curd rolls and serve. Enjoy!